2, 1. So my oral adjudication will go as follows. First is verdict, second is general comments, third is justification for the verdict. So like I stated, I am part of the majority from the 2-1 split. This one is an opposition win for me. So general comments first. This one is a below average to average round. There had been a lot and important logical links that are missing. Ergo, for example, for government's bench, how not hiding it will lead to such negative impacts that they had stated, e.g., there's going to be some sort of animal revolution and there's going to be some sort of fighting over territory. And for opposition side, on how not hiding it will actually lead to far more environmental progress. So there's going to be far more needed mechanization here, especially on what they had defined in the status quo that such as they are living in a society where environment is degrading because of human apathy and human doesn't care and there's exploitation. So there's going to be far more needed better mechanizations on how those impacts are going to accrue, especially if you live into a society that is somewhat anti-animal or doesn't care about animal. So there's going to be far more better incentives mechanism for such to happen in order for me to further bite out on both arguments, from both benches arguments. So this one is actor motion. Yes, this one is an actor motion actually. And as an ordinary intelligent voter, I'm going to weigh this one out on what I can see here, the median interest of the scientists, which is to better the environment, and they are going to want also to have a better good society on which had been extremely agreed upon on this debate. So like it stated, this one is a below average to average round. Two things that can elevate it is three things actually. Is number one, POIs. Go engage your POIs because a lot of things could have been better if you guys engage in POIs. Second is positive and negative cases because you guys only explored the negative case of the other one and the positive case of your bench. Please explore what the positive and the negative of your both benches, e.g. what will bad happen in Gov and what good will happen in WOF. Same for opposition, and weigh this one also to be far more charitable and far more engagement. And next is weighing, especially when it comes to the whip, there's not that much of a weighing happen, at least on my end. So what is the main decisive clashes here? So the two decisive clashes here is one, where environment is going to be better off, and two, where the society is going to be better off. So why does environment going to be better off? So number one, as an ordinary intelligent voter, it has been agreed upon the round that it's one in the interest of those scientists to give out the in better environment because it's going to be important because it's the main contention of the clash, and it's going to be important because it shows on how this decision of the scientists is going to affect the environment, the animals, and the ecology on which the scientist is going to live as an ordinary intelligent voter. So how does government went into this debate? Government argued that this is going to be a fight on territory between animals because they have far more intuition, far more because they're going to have because they're going to have far more sentience and sapience. They're going to have far more intelligence in a sense that, and they're going to have far more emotions in a sense that because it's their interest, they're going to compete with local resources and local plantations and local spears. So two things here. First, as an ordinary intelligent voter, I don't really know what's the extent of your impacts of their negative cases. So yeah, in order for this impact to actually accrue, you guys need to prove on what extent it's going to happen. Will it be a total war? Will it be a total chaos, anarchy, man versus apes or something? Or it can be either a small scale. From what I get from their deputy, actually, it's Animal Farm, where there's some sort of, animal revolution. Though as an ordinary intelligent voter, I don't have much access to our George Orwell's Animal Farm. So be far more specific rather than stating the main setting of the debate. So state the specifics on what extent and how will it play out. Because as an ordinary intelligent voter, I cannot be somethingly, explicitly convinced by stating what happened to George Orwell's Animal Farm without tying back it into status quo? Ay di ba average reasonable voter alam ang Orwell? Thank you very much. Any average reasonable voter have normal knowledge. So meaning to say they know the revolution. Alam kong revolution. The problem here is on to what extent it's going to apply on status. On what extent is this going to apply on status quo? Meaning to say I don't have, as an ordinary intelligent voter, it's going to have the knowledge of how it's going to translate into the real world. So there's lacking of logical links for government. Though what I like is that they have an high impact case. So what do I mean by high impact case? Meaning to say their case can actually flip their entire case. So yeah, this is the strongest material coming from government, as this is also the one that had a lot of potential. And what can be done here, I want it to be mechanized properly. Because Animal Farm cannot be a standalone as an ordinary intelligent voter. Two things here. One, as an ordinary intelligent voter, I can rule out it's actually exclusive to government. Because that they have mechanized is that giving them some sort of sentience and sapience is going to lead to such reactions because they're going to be far more aware. Though in not to an extent that they can actually speak, because as an ordinary intelligent voter, I know that there's a difference in sentience and sapience going to have animals because of the different technology and culture between such. So all I can say that it's going to be exclusive to them in a sense that they have now some sort of sentience and sapience that can incentivize them to do such. However, what lacks them is on how the extent and how it is going to play out. So having exclusivity isn't going to far more win their case. So how about on opposition? So opposition argued that it gives connection. Therefore, there's going to have empathy and it's going to gives out animals fighting for land, exclusive use, and human helping out. So two things here is how will it happen? I need far more better explanation, expect or empathy. We live in a world like you had stated, polluting the environment and exploiting animals already. And I wanted you to have far more better mechanizations because as ordinary intelligent voter, you also guys stated on Amazon, Amazon exploiting the nature and resources. I wanted you as an ordinary intelligent voter to tie this back on how this empathy is going to trickle down into such exploiters in order to be far more effective. At least on your end, you win because you, as an ordinary intelligent voter, I can perceive and I can deduct that it's also going to affect the ordinary humans even though they're not exploitative. At least there's still going to be some trickle down on helping those animal fights and doing their own little step. Though even though this one is a low follow-in case, at least on our case, they have some logical connection. So what I like here is, like I stated, in comparison to opposition, they have far more logical connection. And even if it's a basic intuitive cases, it's going to be better if they have, if they have weighing. Because what I can say is that empathy towards animal is not exclusive to opposition's world. I wanted them to have weighing on this one because, like I stated, government had high impact cases. And if they had managed to mechanize this one properly, this one is going to be a government win. So meaning to say this one is closed. So have far more better mechanism in stating that it's going to happen in your world and to what extent of this compartment is going to happen. So where now is society going to be better off? But from get I got that society is going to collapse. So how likely it's going to happen? Because this case is practically extremist. As an ordinary intelligent voter, I cannot just properly credit that people and animals going to speak, therefore they're going to adjust to XYZ laws. So though I see the vision there, there's going to be far more better mechanisms needed in order for that. So yeah, it's a high falutin case, high burden case. So what I suggest here is going to give far more better mechanisms and don't be that much of an extremist. Though I appreciated their argumentation that if human can do such XYZ technology on Orwell's technology, how can they they can also do technology that can make them speak. But it's not the burden of the debate. And even if I credit it, I needed farmer mechanization and probability analysis on how it's likely it's going to happen. At least on opposition, what I can get there that they're going to be far more empathetic towards animals, and which will accrue on making far more efforts on making environment better, which on leads them to a far more better society, which also interests the scientists. And this is why I am proud to give this one an opposition win. Here, here.